everyone. Welcome you guys to ChillChat. I have Maggie, ThanThan, and MuMu. Every week we will have ChillChat session.
Yeah. Hope you join us every week, every Monday.
Yes. So now we're gonna introduce ourselves and how we meet. Let's start with you, Maggie.
Okay, so my name is Maggie, and I met these two lovely people at work at JBS. We all work at the same place.
Yes.
So,
I'm MuMu.
Definitely we laugh a lot. And you all know my name is MuMu. I also met Maggie at JBS and ThanThan at the JBS when I started working there. They are very fun people to work with.
well, MuMu, you're very fun as well.
Thank you.
Well, my name is ThanThan. Imilan ThanThan. Again, you tell MuMu International Festival. That's where I met you
Yes,
for the first
International
time.
Festival.
And then for Maggie, I met you at work.
Yeah.
JBS. You were at HR. And
MuMu and I actually started working around the same time
Yes, around
last
the same
June.
time.
Yeah, we started.
I just
Isn't
heard
it?
like
Yeah, it's almost been a
June?
year. Yeah.
Oh,
June.
okay. So we both start pretty much the
the same
same.
time.
And
Mhm.
ThanThan
3 months now.
3 months now. So yeah, that's how we met. And we decided to do ChillChat. And basically we just talk about anything, play games,
Mhm.
try food, try the dress,
Clothes.
talk about anything.
Yeah.
Anything, right?
And for me, I'm really excited to learn more about Korean culture because it's a culture I'd actually never heard of until I started working at JBS. And so I'm really excited to learn a little bit more.
You never heard
So,
about Korean
no.
people when you're at the university?
No.
Really?
Nope.
Wow.
So when
Welcome
I moved
to
JBS,
Korean Group.
Welcome.
We're gonna teach Maggie how to say some Korean word. Today we're gonna
Definitely.
start with the dress. The
Mm.
dress.
Wanna
You
do
wanna
that
go
dress?
first?
I'll go
Go
first.
ThanThan.
Okay.
Okay.
So
And then you're going to
ThanThan-
guess something. okay?
yes, don't forget that.
Don't forget your headband.
Yes.
My headband.
So ThanThan gonna put out the Korean whatever, We'll see what he
Traditional
got.
dress.
Yes.
We'll see what he comes out with.
And after that, Maggie and I gonna try.
ThanThan can do solo show.
What's the dress name?
No. What is it called?
Mujepe.
Mujepe.
Yes.
Mujepe.
Today she's gonna dress a Mujepe dress, and I'm gonna dress a Mujepe dress too.
Oh yeah.
It's really trendy now among the Korean people,
Mhm.
all age. The youth and also like the older age, they all love Mujepe dress.
Well, it's so beautifully made. We were looking at it earlier before, and the beading is just exquisite on it.
yes.
So
yes.
I've been sewing since I was little, but I've never done beadwork like that before. So it's
I
really
can
cool.
I can order some of those, and maybe you can try out like
can try it.
different- Yeah.
It won't look as good. It won't look as good. Well, it might. I'm kind of a perfectionist.
Yeah,
so.
you're professional. Maggie has a lot of talent. She sings very well, right?
Maybe.
Oh, ThanThan is coming. Let's
Ooh.
see.
What do you think?
Come here.
Yes. Come on.
Come on, ThanThan.
Okay.
Show it off. Wow.
Show down Batatia.
บัตรเทียเลยเอาไว้นี่ผู้ชมแม่ป้าชิกาเนาะผู้ชมแม่ป้า
I
ชิ
like
กา
the purple
Oh,
shirt
wow.
underneath.
Put on my papa.
Yeah.
Let me have a bit.
no okay ใช่ไหม
Okay.
yes yes
All right.
maybe next time you can try out like the long one check out patoya chipakwa they have the long one for men too
Okay.
without you never see them before right
No, I haven't. This is
So-
really cool.
you want to put it in
Oh, you
style
could
complete
Okay,
the
and then you
look
put up.
That's
Copa.
cool.
yeah คุปเปอร์เอาพัดด้วยเนี่ยจะมาแล้วคุปเปอร์ไม่ปัน
Right? You like, well, I'm make
So is that
Mm,
material
mm,
is that hand woven material? Like
this one is not handmade by the look I can tell the one that handmade they look more heavy and more thick
they're heavier?
yes
Okay.
heavier that one just I think
Probably.
Yeah, it's
It
done
looks
by
like
the
it could have been woven, like
Yeah, it
woven
could be
cloth
woven,
though.
yeah.
There
So-
wasn't much beading on it.
okay so ThanThan he need to look into the mirror so we're gonna wait for him
He's putting his
after that
headband
we're
on.
gonna go dress up
Yes. I'm excited.
a lot of time I see like people like only black color mujepe dress
Mhm.
but I can see like different colors look really nice too.
Yeah.
Yesterday, a couple of ladies they ordered like different colors, like blue
Mhm.
and light green. I think they look really good.
The more color the better.
Yeah,
Some of those are really neat looking.
yeah. You're gonna try the black one first.
Yeah, I'll try the black one on
Okay.
first.
And I tried another
And
different
the
color.
green
So
one?
yeah,
No, yeah.
you see.
I'm excited.
Okay.
you
This
wanna
is
ask me a
Maggie
question?
first time. Oh, let's do the
Yeah, let's do the
question.
question.
You want to? Okay. I'm gonna ask you. Would you rather be happy but not smart, or unhappy and intelligent?
Mm.
You want to be happy and dumb, or you want to be smart,
Well,
smart and happy?
if you think about it, anyone who's happy has to have some level of intelligence because you will know
So
that
you
you're
mean
happy.
dumb people, they're not happy?
No. Everyone's. If you're happy, you're not. You can't be dumb. 'Cause You're
Right.
doing something right.
Right.
Ooh.
Ooh,
Show the
this look
camera.
good. Come on.
Okay. Kabuli.
Yeah. What do you think? What do you think?
I like it.
Do you like it?
Mhm.
How much would it
I
be,
like-
you think?
Yeah.
Ooh.
What do you think? How
Apuchiale.
much? Apuchiale.
I have no
You have
no
no
clue,
idea,
no
no clue.
idea. I'm
Can
just gonna
you
say
just
Guess.
guess? And
An American dollar.
$45.
$45?
very close.
Lucia,
Yes, very close. Because normally it would be like 50 or 35, 40,
Mhm.
depend on who's selling.
Okay.
Because sometimes like when you order clothes from
Mm.
Thailand, the things like the shipping is really expensive.
Okay.
So that's add up to but you're very close.
So 40 around that without shipping?
Yeah, I sell it 50. So you said
Okay.
45?
Yeah, I said
Yes.
45.
That's
it's like
that's pretty
discount
close.
for $5.
Discount. Discount for ThanThan.
Discount.
Okay, now Maggie and I we're gonna go dress our MuMu pet dress, okay?
And Tantan's gonna do solo.
You
show.
ready?
Yeah, let's go.
You have to do solo
Let's
show,
do it.
okay?
A solo show?
Yes,
Why?
because we're dressing up.
Okay, fine. I would think like Karo Chica. $1. Yo solo, but I'm not. Okay. You can pass that you want to think what kind of? Next one.
Okay.
What's your favorite trait about yourself? Nichela namopa ki go do log the pellet kare. Ichela log the ne ikonu. Okay. Bam nu ko ikonu le. Many reasons. Okay. Hey, Mumu,
Yeah.
Maggie, what is your favorite trait about yourself?
My favorite what?
Favorite traits about yourself?
You sure? Make me look very young.
Keep thinking. Do you wish you had more siblings growing up? Pendura chakton in Nedola, Ndopuwe, Nedol Ndopuwe Ayamo, Irani Dopua Oda Kiga, Icho Kiga, Kiga, Layerga, Kelakachone, Yega. I would say a pomau lily yerga lao target single. But okay. Next question. That's a better one. So Mumu, can they comment on here?
Okay, we're coming.
Oh, actually.
We're coming in.
Wow.
So, what do you think?
That's too tall.
You're too tall. Come in. Stand a little bit. Yes.
That looks
Yeah,
good.
turn around, Maggie. Turn around.
Ooh, I love the
Look
color.
really nice. Look at it. Oh my god.
Look
The
at yours.
texture,
Yeah.
It feels good too, isn't
Mhm.
it?
It's really comfortable.
Okay. Now we are what? What is the name?
ChillChat.
No.
No.
What?
It's the Korean word I just learned. but-
Mujepe.
Oh.
Mujepe.
Now we are Mujepe.
Iga muye pe ba.
Mu-
Amuye pe father.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mujepe pa.
Mujepe.
Wow. What do you think,
I love
Maggie?
it.
It's gorgeous.
It's comfortable.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
very
it's
comfortable.
soft
and
on
it's
the
cotton,
inside.
so it's really like cool, right?
And this is just, I can't imagine how many hours this would have taken to
A
make.
I
long
know. I
time.
would never,
Hyena. Yeah.
get done
So,
with this.
okay, let's talk about the process on how they make these clothes.
Yeah.
What how I did mono, what do
Mm-hmm. What I did it.
So, you know about Lenya Koin no chikan mono EP.
Can you say English? For Maggie.
It's okay.
I'll say it in
You
English
understand,
and
you
Korean,
understand.
okay? Anyway, so EP lahine be, mia lahine be ban lokhira be tar khane.
So his
Udane.
grandma get cotton and they dry it. Yes.
Ulane aware he done get be anya tir pan.
Mhm. Then they just take away all the cotton,
Okay.
just the seed,
Yep.
they remove
Yep.
the seed. Yeah.
And then she soak into water and then put it in the spinning wheel and then make it to yarn.
Yeah.
Okay, so
yes.
it's made very, like, from
yes,
the beginning.
from the scratch.
scratch.
Yeah, from the scratch.
Wow.
And then she soak into the water, color it. But
Mhm. Yeah. So this is the
Yeah.
color that they soak in.
Wow.
And there's so many type of cotton, and they
Mhm.
work little. So, yeah.
So your grandma grows cotton then? They
no,
grow it? or-
it was a big tree. you
okay.
know. In America, you have to
Oh.
pick it like a shorter one.
Yep.
But the one in Asia is very different.
Okay.
So
I'll have to look at pictures.
Yeah, I remember when I was a kid, like we just go by the tree and then we just trying to throw down the fruit and then fall down. We gather it up, dry it up. So yeah.
Oh wow, completely different process.
But different
And these
process,
beads
yeah.
are also grow, you know. This one is a different kind. What do you call this one? Attire,
Batar.
batar kind, you know. But
Bakoyale.
or something.
Comment ma.
Comment it.
Batala Torah cinema.
But you can see it's very different. Like,
Mhm.
this one
Different
short and
ones.
round like MuMu, and this one slimmy like Maggie.
Yeah.
No, I didn't know
I
these
like all
were
of them.
seeds at first. When I was looking at them out there, I thought they were beads, and then
Yeah.
you guys
Yeah,
mentioned
these
they
are
were seeds. That's
so-
really cool.
Do you have any story to share when you were kids?
About the dress.
Yes.
So when I was kid, I can never afford a dress like this. So,
Somebody's calling.
Let me just-
Oh yes. 1 second.
Oh, that's my phone. Why are you
Your
calling?
phone.
How do I?
Yeah, bring it here. Bring it to you.
Just bring it to me. Your body. Give us a little sugar daddy on.
What?
Wait,
Okay.
what did
Nobody.
you say?
Okay. So Maggie, now you're gonna guess how much is the dress? How much is the cost of the dress? How much they sell it
this one.
here in US? The
Mm,
bitch yale.
well, these have the beading, so I think they would cost a little bit more because
Mhm.
it takes more time,
Yeah.
and they're also a little bit bigger.
This
There's more
handmade. This
fabric.
one's
Yeah.
not handmade. Remember?
Yeah, this is handmade.
So
I'm gonna guess, I don't know, $75, $80? Or is that too
75,
much?
80. Mhm,
Or maybe
mhm.
more. Maybe
No,
honestly, they're worth
you
more.
can go more. You can
They're
go
worth
more.
more.
Yes.
$100.
$100. What do you think?
Maybe even
For
over.
this one,
Hmm?
the material, the
The
beads,
beading.
I would
Maybe
say
more.
150.
Yeah,
150.
100 is cutting it way too. Yeah,
Yeah.
cheap.
150.
It's more. It's worth way more. Than
We're not
that.
gonna sell it to you $100.
Okay. Okay. 150.
150?
No, I'm gonna go 160 because this is exquisite.
Yeah, it is exquisite.
Challenge.
160.
How much?
That's about right. And you know, it's about 150, 160, and up to 180, depending on who sell it. But that's the price range. But this one, I sell it only. Do you know how much? 130.
130.
What?
130. Yes.
Oh,
Wow.
Only
Hey.
130. The part that you are.
Tapatachi.
Okay.
Wow.
我这里的图的边呢，在你 kitchen 热的路起嘛呢，我这边呢在你 kitchen key 的when you touch something and it's this short.
And they have in a different design too. A
Mhm.
design more lachorda or ora mono.
Mhm.
Yerito community I don't know why sometimes for these beads
Mhm.
they just only sew it with the white yarn
Yeah.
to make it the pattern.
Yeah.
Okay.
They use the white yarns
Yep.
as a beads.
Oh,
but not the
okay.
actual
And no
beads.
beads.
But this
So
one
those-
is
those
the
are
actual.
a little
So,
bit
is
cheaper.
there any significance with the patterns? Like, do different patterns mean different things? Like, any cultural significance like that?
I'm
is it
not so
just
sure
kind of
about
a-
this because these are like modernized, isn't it?
Expression.
Yeah.
It's more
More like
expression.
expression.
Okay.
So could be anything.
That's
To
very
me-
cool. Very expressive.
Oh, what do you want to give the meaning of? Look at your dress.
How do you feel?
Yeah,
do
how
I
do you
feel?
feel?
Mhm.
How do you feel wearing
Do you
Mujib
feel in the
headdress?
land?
The
Yeah, I feel
land.
grounded.
You feel
Yeah,
grounded,
the
Very
land.
grounded.
Chikomo.
Mhm.
Yeah, grounded. I feel more connected with the energy around me, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah.
Very down to
The
earth.
color.
Yep.
The
Yeah,
pattern.
the
Yeah.
pattern. And the way people made it, like they have to put a lot of times and
Mhm.
effort and be very patient with it, I guess.
I know this one is not handmade, like you said earlier.
Yeah, this one's not.
Because if it's handmade, then it is handmade, is it?
No, it's not. See, if it's handmade, it's gonna be heavy, When we talk
I'm
about
just
Ginny,
looking
I
at the
thought
sides
ma.
here.
Yeah. Mm.
My grandparents, my sister, they weave too.
Yeah.
Oh,
Mhm.
wow.
The process of weaving, we need to show her that.
Yeah.
That would be really
Should
cool.
we go try a different dress? And
Yeah,
come back?
let's try it.
Okay.
Okay.
Who's going first?
Wait for one moment. We're gonna go dress up with different colors.
Wait,
Dress.
this time you got to be doing the solo.
Me?
Yes.
Oh gosh.
Just do
okay.
the cards and then
Do the
I'll go
cards?
change.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm doing a solo.
You do solo.
Or do you want
Okay.
Mumu to do solo?
I can do solo. It's okay.
And then
I'll
come back.
improv it. I don't speak any Korean. but
Okay. I'll be back.
We'll ask some questions. I'll
Okay.
ask myself a question.
Ask yourself question. Have fun with yourself.
Okay. Okay. Lose the ability to lie or believe everything you're told. Ooh. And why? I probably want to lose the ability to lie because I'm already a bad liar, so it might as well lose the ability to do it at all. Win the lottery or have 10 years longer of life, and why? Definitely going to go with the 10 years longer, because you can, maybe I'd win the lottery after I chose 10 extra years. Like, you never know. Ooh,
I
girl!
am back. What do you think?
I love it. The green looks really good with your skin tone and your hair.
I know. You know what? A lot of like people, they don't want like different colors. They always want to have like black,
Mhm.
but I think different colors look good too.
Yeah.
You know?
Different colors look
Yeah.
different on better on everyone,
Yeah.
you know? A variety. I
Mhm.
love it.
Yes,
That green looks really cool.
it look really
And
good.
the green matches with the black.
Yeah,
It's a good.
yeah. A good match, right? You want to go try yours?
Yeah.
I want
my
to see
turn.
what color.
You go solo.
Okay, I wait. So now Maggie go try the different dress. So Mujapan dress look good with any colors, any color, pink, black, green, anything. Because a lot of time people just stick with, you know, traditional, very traditional black. But this, oh, come on.
Okay.
This one look good too.
Okay, 봄치가.
For me, chica.
나 되게 나.
Agree lo. Pop on it. No, what's that? When you read, ma. That being is sign it 2330. 2330 pupu polo mara kind of when you do it like you do police it's a little bit below, you know, it's just mid thigh, you know, something.
Okay, nativa lo poka chica lo mo lo bata lo ya.
No, I think they should have that, right?
Yeah.
So maybe
They
like,
don't have beads on the men's shirt,
yeah,
but some of
more
them
creative.
they might have. But
Yeah,
I
look
like
really nice. See? Green is very nice too. So
Wow.
yeah.
A pattern mo what child.
Me Japan,
Thank you, come in.
Maggie,
Woo! Look at the pattern.
Yes, look at the
This
pattern.
one's really cool. I love it.
Yeah.
It's got
And
like
the
some
neck.
The
diagonals.
mountains.
Yes, this one has more beads than the other one. You think?
Yes,
Yes,
I would say so.
Yes.
Definitely more of a constructed
But
pattern.
look at this here.
Variety too.
Wow.
Pono myo mo that'd be.
It's
You
so
look
cool.
good with any color.
Oh,
And you look so bright. Now you just really Japan now.
Muya
It's
pan.
like bright, you know.
Kolawa muya pan.
Japan.
Muya pan.
Japan.
I'm
You have to come up
thinking
with Japan sign.
I should try and sew corn onto an outfit.
Corn?
Because I'm from a farm.
Okay. Oh
Like,
yeah. Can you talk
you-
about a little bit about yourself, like from the farm side?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think we're going to talk about a little bit more in detail next
Yeah.
week, but I'm
Oh,
from
next
a
week?
crop and livestock farm. I went to South Dakota State University for agricultural leadership, and I'm working at JBS, which is an ag company.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm from a farm, so I grew up helping my dad raise cows, pigs, chickens,
Mhm.
you know, driving tractors, all the fun
Yeah.
stuff. So
She's down to the earth girl. I really like Maggie. When I met her, you know, I always brag about her, you know, with every guys. Hopefully
With
they don't
every
bother
guys.
you. It's like, you wanna hit on someone? That's
No.
Maggie.
So you probably just show us around later on too.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we should do a
Maybe
farm
maybe later
tour.
we go visit Maggie farm.
Yeah.
Yeah, we could do
Because
chill
like
chat
hala
from the farm.
where when he a siplom, we do have a siplom.
Chill chat at the farm.
Yes.
That would be neat. That would be
Yes.
really cool.
We bring some Korean dress and
Okay.
like,
Yeah, I'll have my
go to
siblings
the
try it
farm.
on.
Yeah. They'd be
Oh
like, what do you think they would react? What do you think they would
My brothers would probably just be like, meh. But my
Yeah.
sisters, my younger siblings would like it. You know, the teenage boys would be like, too cool.
You know what? We should bring extra clothes and have them try on it.
Yeah.
Yeah. They're like, okay.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Yeah, let's do. I bring some extra.
Not me
clothes.
volunteering my entire family.
They're like, okay, thank
They don't know
you.
they're gonna do this, but they're going to, so they have no choice.
They have no choice, right? They have no choice.
I
these
like
are
this one a
really,
lot.
Really, yeah, different colors, and you know, it's very
Mhm.
cute, right? Isn't it gorgeous, elegant too?
Yeah.
We should all do a pose right now.
Oh yes, do a post. Oh, do you like this? Do you like this?
Oh, here's money sign.
Money, easy
money.
easy
This
money.
is love. This
Easy
is love.
money.
You turn into money. Oh my god. A piece. Peace is always. You know,
Peace.
peace is always.
That's always my go-to.
Love. Sorry, Tanta.
Hey, I can
Look
just do
how
this
big my
myself.
arm is.
You said the other
Who cares?
We making
Farm arms.
like
Right?
I was bringing up my
Mine's
arms.
chicken
and then
arm.
like,
Chicken arms.
yeah, today Judy gonna.
show off the muscles.
We have a different kind of dress. You want to dress up that one too? Little
the
dress.
tie one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Little
the
dress.
tie one.
Little dress is better.
We
So
should
try
play a
little
game for a
dress.
little
Yeah,
bit.
let's play
Oh,
a
let's
game.
play games.
This one's
'Cause we-
comfy.
this
I
is
really
I
like
know.
like
nice
this one.
in here.
Let's stay
I
with
want to
this
show
one.
Let's
this
show
off.
this off.
This is cool.
Show this off.
What kind of game do you want to play?
Just ask any
deeper?
question.
It's the game is called Let's Get Deep.
Let's
No
get
promotions.
Questions for couples. None of us are dating.
I know
So
about
this doesn't apply.
deep. Don't say it.
that question.
No, I won't.
Bad question.
Oh, that's
Ow.
too long.
That's
Too
too
long.
long.
Okay, I'm gonna ask you two.
Okay,
Okay.
ask us.
Okay.
Hello.
Mm.
How are we doing?
We're doing
We're
good.
doing good. We're doing good.
Are we doing Spanish accent?
I think that was Russian. I don't know.
Russian.
Ooh, I don't think we should talk about this one.
Was it too spicy?
Probably.
Ooh,
Salty.
salty.
Ew. Okay. We don't want
Oh,
confrontation.
it's talking about date, but I feel like it's good to talk
Yeah,
about this.
Okay.
What's your idea of perfect date?
Perfect date.
Mm.
Single, go.
Okay. Let me think.
Ini
Date.
kita join your date ni mo.
Mhm.
Agi log tadi ni.
Say chelo da.
Sila dan mo agi di le.
I've honestly never been on many dates.
But what do you think?
So-
Like,
what were you
if
thinking?
you're gonna go to a date, what is your ideal, type of?
I don't know. Maybe like a couple hours of just, just walking around, talking. I like to talk.
Like walking around the farm with
no,
the
not
chicken.
the farm. Like, I don't know, a city, a downtown area.
Downtown
Yeah,
area.
downtown area.
Sometime around. Okay.
Exploring
I
different
think that's
parts.
nice.
I also
Yeah.
like car rides. So just like going on a drive.
The drive,
talking.
talking.
I really like
At
that.
the soft music.
Yep.
on.
I'm not a big movie person because I like to get to know the
I don't
person.
I know. I don't
Yeah,
like
just
just
sit
sit
there.
there. It's just
Yeah,
boring.
you sit there and it's like, what do you do?
We're not movie person the first day.
Mm-mm.
I love
I'm
movies, but
married,
I won't
bestie.
take anyone on a date on my first date.
Mm.
Oh
To
yeah.
a movie.
Yeah, it's just gonna.
What's yours?
Me? Oh,
Or do you want me to talk about it first?
me. You talk about first because single first, right? I'm
Yeah.
already married, so who cares?
How do you know if I'm single?
Yeah. How do you know?
Ooh,
if we're
something
single?
fishy here?
No.
Come on.
My perfect date would be I want to take them to the river and to the mountain, but I don't want to start it there first. I feel like, going to
The-
community events.
Oh, a true community liaison.
Yeah.
True
Okay,
Go to
community
community events.
But you said mountains, and that reminded me of how much I love hiking. So, like, if
Mhm.
someone took me on like hiking,
Seattle.
So you think that I
Seattle.
should be
Go to
taking
Seattle.
my date to mountain?
yeah.
Well, the first day.
Okay, are we thinking
it's-
first, like, our idea of a good date on like the first date, or just like
Just
The first date, we're
After.
talking about the first date.
oh,
Are we
the
talking about
first
the first
date.
Or
I
a
don't-
perfect date. Oh, let's do
Perfect.
perfect date.
Yeah,
It says
perfect.
Oh,
date.
perfect.
it doesn't
date,
have
so-
to be the first.
yes.
So it's like
Okay, does
someone
it have
you
to
would
be the
know.
first?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, definitely hiking.
Perfect date,
Hiking.
hiking.
Yep, like maybe
Camping.
pack like a little picnic.
Yes.
Love it.
Okay, we have a similarity. We're not gonna
Oh
go
my
on
god,
the
yeah,
dates.
let's not. Oh no,
Are you
people are gonna start shipping us.
No.
Or shopping.
Shopping.
Shopping
In the wild.
Then he buys all of
Foraging?
my clothes.
Foraging.
Oh, that's
Foraging.
my
I think it's
idea.
interesting.
Mm.
But that's
Foraging
just
for
about
food.
me. Well, what do you say?
Yeah, what about you,
You
Mumu?
have
The
experience.
married woman.
I don't really like date anybody. I'm married, but instead of telling you when my perfect day, I'm gonna
Mhm.
tell you how is my first day went. So there was a guy at my workplace that he likes me.
Mhm.
He's Iraqi and he came to pick me up.
Uh-huh.
And Mumu, always clumsy. I came right out for like my apartment complex like fence,
Mm-hmm.
and I jump into another guy car. He looked at me like, what the F? And I look at him like, and the other guy, the
Mhm.
guy that's supposed to pick me up, he
Uh-huh.
came knock on the door. He
On
was
the
like,
door?
yes. He was like, I'm here. Then I got out and the guy was like, I am waiting for another girl.
Oh no.
He's waiting for another girl.
Yeah, he was waiting for, another Korean girl too. But he was a Korean guy. The guy that I'm supposed to go with Iraqi. Just jump into someone's
Well,
car and said,
And
A
go.
bummer. How is that a perfect date?
it was
Yeah. No, it was just a
telling
first
you,
date.
like, yeah.
It was
A
experience.
perfect day to me, I would like to go to. It has to start with a very nice weather, and
Okay.
then I like picnic, beside river,
Mhm.
and good food, good food prepared and everything. Just sit and just have a nice chat and just eat the food,
The food, would you find the food out in the forest and make it out there, or would you bring food?
Well, of course I have to bring food, yeah.
No.
Bring
Like
food.
go
Oh,
fishing.
not the
get
camping
some
day.
berries. Not a
Camping
camping
day
day.
would be nice too, isn't
That
it?
would
be cool.
What will you guys bring though for food?
Oh, I'm bringing some fruits and
Yes.
definitely Asian food.
Asian food.
No bun.
No buns.
No buns.
No buns.
We like hot dogs.
Sorry,
but we don't
Maggie.
like buns.
Oh, I was gonna say a sandwich.
Sandwich is fine, but
It's
it's not a
fine.
bun.
True.
It's a bread.
Yeah,
So
it's a
sandwich
bread.
is
Free bread.
healthier.
Yeah,
Free bread.
meats in there, right?
Maybe some veggies.
Veggies.
Yeah,
Yeah, I like
just
that.
something easy
You
to snack
want
on.
something light,
Yeah.
You go on the first day, you don't want to be
Yeah.
like, I need to go poop.
Bring toilet paper.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely, the way it said it.
Okay.
Or you can since you leave.
Yeah.
Just make sure it's not poison ivy.
Oh, man, that happened before.
Not to me.
You want to try a different dress?
Different
And
dress or
come back?
another different question?
Oh,
Maybe?
different question. Okay, let's do
We
it.
have a lot of cards.
Oh,
Hundreds.
Do you believe in any conspiracy theories?
any conspiracy theory? He believes in a lot of conspiracy theory.
You
Tell
see the
us.
lug?
Tell us.
Tell us.
Your
What
face
would,
looks
what
a
would be one
conspiracy.
though? I don't believe in
But
that.
do you believe in it?
Like how? Give me an example.
Conspiracy? You believe in it because when I told
Like,
you about
Maybe I
the-
don't have anything right now.
Like the moon landing. Did you think the moon
moon
landing
landing?
was fake, or did it actually happen?
Ooh, dang it. I thought it was fake at first, but I think it's
Ooh.
real.
real?
I think it's real. Because I can see the moon from here.
Mm.
Yeah, but why has no one else been back since?
No one?
I don't know. I guess I don't really know my history.
Oh, what
but like,
about
why
the-
don't we have
the
people
Neo?
just going to the
Neo?
moon all the
Yeah.
time?
Hmm.
If it happened, like
It costs
way
a lot
back
of money,
then.
I think, you know?
True.
It costs
It's
a lot of
dangerous
money,
too.
and then
Training and
dangerous.
dangerous.
What about alien?
Oh, do you think aliens is a real thing?
Aliens?
I think so because we're not even like universe. We are like multiverse, so you never know. I just think like there's something out there. There's I believe something out there.
With how big the
Has-
universe is?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There could definitely. I mean, I don't know. That's the thing with conspiracy theories. I
But-
like totally understand they could be
Could
real,
be,
but
yeah.
like also I'm like,
Mm.
but are they?
I mean, like when you just look at nature, I feel like, like
Mm.
frogs or
Mhm.
like other animals or just human being, like just humans alone, we're so diverse,
Mm.
we all have different hair color, eye color,
Yeah.
different
Skin
skin
color.
tone,
Skin
right?
colors.
And then even like
Nice.
animals, there's so many varieties. Some of them live in underwater,
Mhm.
like some of them live in the desert, I think, like with different, planet, I think they, possibly there is
Possible.
Mhm.
Yeah.
different
Well, it's-
species out there.
Different
It's kind of
species.
small-minded to think that we are the only things existing in
Yeah.
the grand
The
scheme of the
great,
universe. Like
yeah.
it's massive.
Yeah,
We don't even know what's out there. So
that has to be something out there. Yeah,
You want to
we're
pick
good
one?
on that.
Okay.
Oh, okay, I
Should
haven't
I
picked
go
anything
put a
yet.
new outfit on.
Yeah, let's
There you
do
go.
that
Okay.
and we'll
Oh,
come
we'll
back.
just stay
I'll go
here.
change.
Would you accept 1 million to leave the country and never set foot in it again? Would you? 1 million and never come back to US again?
I'll be going to Thailand. I'll be going to Thailand, build up a business or something, and live in the jungle.
Yeah,
I would do that. for
I think I would
million.
definitely
I love
do
you,
that too.
America, but forgive me.
Yes, forgive me, the kukwai ya no, the kukwai ya ni na karo la America we. Yes, wa mi ya chiru kukwai di ya tha we no mia.
Me, Nikita, they don't say the thing. He did
Mhm.
that.
You can build business and do anything.
Mhm.
Free money.
I get it on the mid hake pay not blow and I get in it, you can still work, like have
Yeah,
somebody
you can
work in
still
the
work.
country. So what do you think?
Or give back that million when you have another million.
It's true. Oh,
What?
that's a very long question. What do you think?
Pick something that's short. We're waiting, Maggie. Excited to see.
Oh, this is a nice one, Mumu. Oh, she's back with the purple.
Oh,
I gotta
Perfect.
tie it first. Can't make
do you
it
need help?
easy.
Come here.
I'm
Let me
good.
help.
I got it.
You got it? Okay.
She got it. Is this one tie?
This one's
You?
Thai. I got a you chica.
I get the less she got.
The no? I get a moan,
Yeah. I think
Say
so.
what?
Say what?
I think it's a Hmong style. I don't know.
It's
not Hmong,
definitely
it's
got
not
a
Hmong.
different vibe. It
It's
feels
not
very princessy.
Yes.
Let
Yes.
me see.
Here come princess.
Yeah, it's got like it's just made different.
Mm-hmm. Cute.
But you say this is more Thai style?
This is like more like
Thai.
Thai tribe, you know,
Or
when
Thai.
I try in Thai.
Okay.
So yeah, cute.
I've always
You
wanted
look
to
good with
visit
every
Thailand.
color.
You
we
have
should
to.
we should do that.
You have
So
to.
Yeah,
here's
this
a
is
fun
a good
story.
question.
Oh.
So would you accept 1 million to leave the country and never set foot in it again?
Oh.
Go to Thailand.
I know your family.
That'd
is
be hard
from
because my
here.
family's from
Yeah.
here.
Yeah.
But do you have to go to like a specific country, or
No.
you can just never come back to where you're from?
Just go anywhere.
Never back to
Yeah.
America.
That's,
I'm tempted. I probably would because I've always wanted to travel.
go to
So,
Korea.
yeah, South Korea and Thailand
South
are
Korea.
my Thailand. We had a foreign exchange student from Thailand live with us when I was in high school. She was my age, and I've always wanted to go over and visit her. I haven't seen her
That'll
since,
be
but we
perfect.
talk all the time. So,
Yeah.
so Phi, if you're watching
Even
this,
though
Bye.
you can't come back and see your family can always go see you.
oh, that's
Right?
true. I'll
Oh,
move
yeah.
my family with me.
And
They
move
all want to
them,
come to
move them.
Thailand too, so we want to go see Thailand
Yeah.
together.
I got
Okay.
another one. This one is really good one.
Mhm.
What do you think the most important part of family is?
The most
Can
important
you
part of
interpret
family.
that?
Tala hipokopo ni no tala riddo kachani mimnile. What do you think? What do you guys
Okay.
think?
Comments.
Comment.
Comment.
Okay,
Type
blog
in
ka
some
phasa jiba
comments.
no? Blog ka phasa jiba.
Mhm.
Okay, so the answer cho the sister
Yeah.
cho.
You answer.
I think you
go
should be the
first.
one because you have a family already.
Me?
Yeah.
Okay. The most important part of family is spending time together because that gives you time to have conversation, to just have create more bonds to each other. That way, you love each other more. You just like if you have things you can talk about it, when you spend time together. Because the more farther you're like, if you don't spend time together, you just
And think of all
Listen.
the like just differences there are between families. Like different families have different traditions, even within different cultures. They like my family's got different traditions than another like family in the
Yeah.
neighborhood would be. So
I totally
really-
agree with you.
Yeah.
What about you?
For me, I think connection to spending time. Let's just say like New Year's,
Yeah.
come back together. Even though you can come back together, I feel like still call one another, check-ins. I think that's very important. Part of the family, right? Because like nobody's growing up in a perfect family.
Yeah.
Right? Do you guys agree with that?
Absolutely.
But
Yeah.
it's like very important to connect with one another and listen to one another. I think listening, the biggest
Listening.
part.
and learning.
And all of that. Listen and then learn from one another. I think that's very important.
And you
I agree.
won't always get along, and that's
Mhm.
something you have to learn in life, that you're not always going to get along with people, but at the end of the day you have to either make
Right.
up or just move on. So
Definitely. Should we read some what they say?
yeah.
Yeah, there's a lot of comments there. You can move closer that way you have to stretch it. Oh, hi. What? Click on each. You can
Oh, you
click
click on
on
them?
each. Yes. Go scroll down all the way so you can
Okay.
click every other.
Or-
Because power and the comment, okay? Send us a lot of love.
ThanThan
This
looks
is
like
our first
Singer
time.
Day Day.
ThanThan look like
I'll have to
singer
look at it.
Day. Yes, Day. But Day. Yeah, bring her. You can bring her. Like if you click on it,
Click on it.
it's gonna
Oh,
bring her
there
there.
we
So
go.
you can
Bring
move
up
closer
ThanThan's.
the way. Yeah, bring her.
Here we
there.
go. I'll have to look at who Day
ThanThan
Day
look
is.
Who's
like
Day Day?
singer Day. Singer
Sorry,
Day.
Day.
He's from Delta area in Burma. Yes,
Okay.
and yes, he's like rock, kind of like rock singer, kind of like
Oh yeah, the hair fits. You see the electric guitar.
Mm.
Whatever guitar.
Well, what's
So click on each, like
This
the
one?
second
Oh,
one, not
oh.
the second one.
Ah.
Yes.
This one?
Mm-hmm. Wow, it's so beautiful, girl. Everybody's here
Wow.
beautiful.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then what's
Next
this one?
one.
Aw.
Very beautiful, Mashe. Hi. Next one. You are all beautiful with Korean clothes. I know.
Woo,
we're
thank you.
beautiful.
Tablet.
With the tie, even with the tie.
Thai inspired. Ooh, what does this one mean? I
Oh, that's
can't
my
Oh.
remember this.
sister.
Bokachome.
Hi, Elizabeth.
Bokachome. Okay. The dress that you have
Mhm.
with the different kind of like beads,
Mhm.
it's called bokachome. That means
Oh,
beads that
okay.
elephant tail beads.
Okay.
Elephant tail.
That's
I have
this
a
elephant.
Elephant
swing.
tail hair earrings.
Oh,
Winnie.
is it a plant?
Kachome chu. Winnie, pati kachome chu. Yeah, that was used to be
It's a-
very famous when I was single, because guys would give you as a gift.
Oh.
Yeah,
Okay.
Yeah.
I gave myself this.
Add that to like
Oh, you
perfect.
did.
It's your perfect date.
Okay. Next one. You guys
Oh,
look nice.
thank you,
Thank you. Where's your blow your kiss?
85.
Hey, Lana,
Oh,
keep
this
going.
was back with the
85,
prices.
yeah.
We're a little late.
Like
Maybe it's called rice beads.
rice beads. Boo. Boo.
Yummy. Now I want
Boo-boo.
rice.
Probably.
What
What is your name, please? This is
I'm Maggie.
MuMu
ThanThan.
ThanThan.
Ooh.
Yes.
So what touch you gonna?
Tata.
Just kidding. No, no.
Tada. Look
Oh.
beautiful. Thank you. ThanThan, where is your mother live? Connection. Where is your
Oh,
mother?
no.
Where's your mother?
Mo, hi.
Mo.
You
hello.
more than he. Okay.
Are you, wait.
Are you married? Maggie is single. She's happily single. Chanta is happily single. MuMu is
I'm
happily
very happy
married.
Oh no, a country girl.
A country girl. Yes.
You
she's
wouldn't
a
know
country
it though.
girl.
You
Yeah.
wouldn't know it. Like I don't really dress like
Yeah.
the typical country
You
girls.
don't,
It just
yeah.
doesn't fit my vibe, but
She's
You
dressed
built
more
like
like
one.
Korea.
You
I'm built like
You
one.
dress more like Korea.
Definitely more, yeah.
Yeah.
More
She has style. You
style.
guys.
style.
I have more style than
Smile.
country girls.
The Rashay. They call you the Rashay, no?
Hi.
Hi.
Hello. Any
Any
news
news today? Yes, later on at
Okay, come
9. Queen Ari, no? Queen Ari, 9 p.m. news. Now we have chill and chat. Chill chat.
Hi.
Chill and
Hi,
chatနဲ့
Kwaku.
ခေါ်ပြီးရတယ်
We just chill and chat.
Chill နဲ့
Chill name.
Human-
Human is alien.
တော့ chat နဲ့တက်ခေါ်တာ
Human is alien.
They found me out.
They found us.
What do I do?
What do I do?
I'm gonna slither away.
Hey, for family one, it says love each other, have
Click
loyalty.
on it.
Click it.
Click on
You
it.
have to
You
click
just
on
click
it.
on it.
Hey, man, look at
Love, loyalty, understand each other.
I like that.
Yes,
Ito,
that's
that- that
correct.
queen.
Two thumbs up.
Tatoralo.
2 thumbs up from the country girl.
Mhm.
Tanapolova. Okay.
And then what does the bottom one
last
say?
The bottom. Yes. Ta eta kui tanapalota. Love and understanding each other. That's correct. Yes. Thumbs up, all you guys. Thank you. Is there any dress that you want us to try
Oh yeah,
on
go.
last
You
time?
guys, I put on a
Oh,
third. Go
okay.
put on another
You
one.
can
You
go
should
by
put
yourself.
on the
Me
pink.
and Megan
Go put
can
on the
stay
pink
this
one.
side.
Yeah, the pink one.
You want to
No,
stay?
you go put on the pink one.
Okay, I'm not going.
Okay.
I'm not going. I'll be
Okay,
back.
Maggie.
Yes. Let's go. We're both
Let's
wearing
do one of
purple.
the questions.
What is
Yeah.
this?
High five.
Woo.
I don't know how to do that.
Nah, I don't either. We'll have to figure something
Not
out
to-
sometime. Yeah.
Which year of your life so far has been your favorite and why?
Ooh.
Ni pelate ni le. Like when a lot do like the bamnu khola.
Honestly, this year's been pretty awesome. Just graduating
Elaborate.
college. Well, in the past year. So like so far what I've lived through of this year and then up until like graduation of college last May, that's been pretty cool. So it's almost been like a full year, but just getting into like adult life, working a
life.
full-time job, saving up, getting a
Definitely.
car, all that.
And meeting new
Ooh,
people.
and meeting, yes,
Yeah.
the people part especially. That
Oh.
one's pretty.
Yes, pretty too.
Valentine's Day.
Valentine.
That's a good one
That
actually.
one's really
Yeah,
pretty.
really pretty.
It looks really good with
Wow.
your hair.
Thank you. Yeah, especially when you have like dark hair, it
Mhm.
just really bring out like the color of it.
Brenda.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Pink, I give you.
Hey, this is a question for you.
Okay. You wanna
Which
go
year
second?
of your life
Oh.
so far has been your favorite and why?
Which year of your life so far has been your favorite? Why? I think you know, like last year, this year's it's just favorite because
This year is your favorite?
yes,
Okay.
I've been more like, although I have a lot of works and a lot of stuff that going on, I am free. You know, I have my apartment. I can go out and eat. You know, you have your income. You can go shopping. You can buy stuff for your kids. You can do anything. You know, it's a lot of blessing. I think not blasting.
And I know you have your kids, but also you
Yeah.
get to like focus on your work
Mhm.
also.
I get to do a lot of things, and I love doing YouTube. My daily current news channel, and I love this session too. It's just I want to connect more with the youth. Come on, Maggie.
Finish what
Let's
you're
check
saying
out.
first. Finish what you're
Yes,
saying
yes,
first.
I
Okay.
do. Look,
Woo.
let's check out.
Wow.
Yes.
This one is different.
Yeah, this one's different.
It's got tassels.
Yes.
It's definitely more of a fall tone. Fall vibes.
Yeah, yes, definitely the
Definitely
color.
more fall. Valentine's Day, fall,
Valentine, fall,
summer.
What if you wear that in the winter? I
Oh,
feel like
winter
that'd be
too.
better,
Oh,
to warm up your
sorry.
day. 따뜻한 몸이니까 어쨌든
따뜻한.
마글러라.
Agreed, Okay, chill.
I've seen this before. This kind of pattern. This is neat.
This is
Yeah.
neat.
There's no beading on this one.
This
It's
one's
more of
neat.
like
The
designed,
Right.
embroidered.
design
It's embroidered.
Nice.
That's
What
cool.
cool.
ThanThan, go change.
Okay.
I'll go change.
We'll do.
But let me answer this
Oh
one.
yeah, answer it.
Answer.
My favorite year so far is this year because I eat more.
He can eat a lot. Order too much.
I eat more. I was more creative. I have to say, I'm more creative this year, and then meeting new people.
Meeting new people, yes.
So this is my favorite year.
Are there any?
And also your job, I think.
Yeah.
You satisfied
I
your
gotta do
job.
my
You
job,
enjoy what you do.
but still doing similar stuff, which is a good transition for
Good
me.
transition. Yeah.
You know, makudaro about the word there.
With this, your experience that pay off. You have it, your experience, and because
Meeting people, getting to know what community
building your
needs.
career
I think that is very important.
Is there a specific back to the food? I love food.
back to the food? Back to the food.
Is there any
Yeah.
like specific food, new food, or anything you tried this year that stuck out to you?
This year, okay, I ate a lot of Indian food. Yeah.
Ooh.
Kolatuda alma tani.
Curries.
Yeah, you
and-
all do that veggie. I also like India food.
I've
What
only
about
had
you?
Indian food once,
Yeah.
but I liked
What
it.
What is your favorite? Like,
Dish.
Ooh.
like if was thinking like, okay, let's go out right now. What do you pick? What do you pick?
Probably like Mexican food.
Mexican food.
Yes.
El
We have a lot
Mexicano
in here.
there is
Yeah.
really good.
Or
so-
Korean barbecue.
Korean
barbecue.
Korean
Oh,
barbecue.
We
that was
gotta
a good
go.
one. Remember the one we
Yeah.
went to?
Mm-hmm.
La
It's like
Andrea with
Andre-
Andrea. Oh, that was a good one.
Down in Texas.
Yeah,
It was not
Oh.
expensive. It was really
Yes.
good too. What is
Yeah.
it called? Did you remember?
forgot
Start with
it.
the J. Jin's
Jin.
Korean. Jane
Jin.
Biscuit.
Jin something.
J-I-N.
Just only two syllables. I
Yeah,
remember.
but it was
Jin,
really
Jin.
good.
Yeah.
Hawinya.
Yeah. So yeah.
You guys continue.
Okay.
Okay, let me click the comments. Okay.
Yeah, let's read some more comments. I saw there's some that come
Move
in.
closer here. New comments. Ta eta kui ta huta po. Love and unity. The
for the
most
family
important for the
question.
family. Love, loyalty, spend time and understand each other.
Everyone's got very
Yes.
similar thoughts.
Yeah,
to that.
very similar thoughts.
That's
So
good.
beautiful.
Ooh,
Thank you.
thank you. How do you say thank you in
W.
W?
Mm-hmm.
W?
W.
W?
Mm-hmm. Don't say W.
Okay.
Say W. Say W.
W.
Let
Oh
me
no.
Crazy.
Oh, no.
Let me crazy. W mean crazy.
W?
W mean thanks.
They sound very similar.
I know. It's
Very
like,
similar.
Let's try this one.
Yes, try with the
Yeah,
yellow
we
one.
need different
Come,
colors.
come. Put the price tag at the back. So
So we don't have to guess.
it's not a price tag.
This is
actually,
really
so.
gorgeous.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Bob Bobby.
Hello, hello. So,
Oh.
all right. No, chim kami ya pani agi kala kachela. Kini pink oti di pala edu order no. Ya when you check color do you did be. Muka atuna ki gichi. Come on here, not tanta.
You just
all
call
have
me
such
no
different
Tan
colors.
Tan.
Not tanta. Yes, with the Mia pet dress.
Miyape.
Mia pet.
Mujepe.
Okay, I really like this color. Ayobe Paganya.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, wow.
Mhm. What did I
Look at
Look at
that.
it. Yes, this is like sun.
It's like
or something,
sunrise
Yeah,
or
sunrise. Fans, yeah.
You know what, Mumu?
Or
you should wear this
aurora.
one with the belt.
Yeah, the belt.
Yeah.
Bring it
Time
up.
on the belt.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
this
my
one.
goodness.
Yeah, yeah. What is-
Oh yeah.
So, how do you click on?
Here.
Oh, maybe you want to help
Yeah,
me?
yeah, yeah.
Sorry.
I got you, girl.
Wow, it's a good idea. Okay, but follow the style the back.
Style.
Yes.
There we go. Is that tight enough?
I think it's good.
That's a
we
little
go.
bit tighter, but
A little bit.
Oh, whoops. Too
We can
tight?
do a little bit tighter. No, this is not. We can do
Make
a
it a
little
little bit
tighter.
tighter? Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Squeeze
Perfect.
it.
hit on a
Squeeze
fold
it.
shimmer.
Squeeze
The
it.
hourglass squeeze.
Yes. Yes, like that. It's good.
Oh no, I missed it.
Don't worry. Chalo da.
It's kind of hard to
Hard to
get.
do?
Yeah, I got
Oh,
it. I got
sorry.
it. I'm getting it.
Giving
There
you
we
a
go.
hard time.
There we
Okay.
go.
Okay. There you go.
Adjust
Oops.
the belt.
Adjust it. Yeah, adjust.
That's so pretty.
Yeah, okay. Have it like this.
It adds a little bit because they're more square fit.
Square
so when you
fit,
put the
so you
belt,
put
it
the
kind of
belt,
cinches
is-
it. Yeah.
yes. You can like, yeah.
Read that one.
No.
Don't read.
No.
What is that?
I don't,
so bad.
I don't know how to relate
Don't
to
read it
that.
out loud. Don't.
No.
No, can't do that.
No, not
It's
gonna
not
do
appropriate. It's very.
Oops.
that. No.
You guys waited for me. I'm just looking through. Okay.
You ask.
Oh, this is a good one.
Ooh, what was the last fear you overcame and how did you do it?
Can you interpret, please?
The last fear, tala pakitale napli mono, bloody in mano delay mono. Is it right? How was the last fear you overcame and how did na madile mono? Dito tala napli.
Oh, but then ma, like it
Napli
is.
katamo. So,
No.
who wanna answer first? You.
Me, deep water and heights.
Deep water and
Yeah, I
heights,
used to be
okay.
afraid of like deep water. TU yonamo. We brought in a keditola tapa popa tonma hippie. Yankone. Mwa kedito inadora chiche. Rone hippie dangte yamatalelamo, which is very helpful, you know.
Yeah.
Scary, but
You keep trying.
yeah, but yimalo yikachatulo yikachatalamo potine. So I taught myself how to swim.
Oh, wow.
And then I spent a lot of time in the pool and learned how to swim, you know.
Yeah.
And then for heights, I just climb up anyway, and you know, trying to find a ways to overcome that fear, you know.
Yeah.
So deep water and heights, but I overcome those.
Yeah.
But I'm still afraid of heights a little bit
Yeah,
sometimes.
yeah.
It gives me that feeling.
The jittery.
Yeah.
The jittery feelers. Whatever.
I'm afraid of height. Like when I drive to Houston, I'm always afraid. I don't want to go up to the spaghetti. They call the spaghetti bowl, like very
Spaghetti bowl.
high up.
Spaghetti bowl?
Yeah, spaghetti bowl.
Oh,
Sorry.
spaghetti bowl.
Where's my English
No,
anyway?
it's okay.
And then it's really high up.
Yep.
And so I really like curve. I can never do
Oh.
really high. And you know that's always like almost like
Yeah.
my heart is like jump out, you know. I can't do that. Like I can never do that.
Yeah.
Sometimes they make it very narrow, like chichibolo. So you have to drive very slow.
Oh yeah.
So where's this at?
Texas?
In Texas. Okay, you said
Houston.
Houston.
That's
There
a
we
lot
go.
of like
Dallas too. Dallas.
Dallas?
You
Dallas? Yeah.
Thailand balcony. Point at the bobone. You have to drive.
Oh,
over.
wow.
That's scary.
Like Houston, I talk to the highest one. What is the highest one? Oh my god, in Houston, I can never do that.
What is your
Um,
fear? And then
I would
overcome it?
say
I never
in the
overcome it.
past, like two. Oh no.
Sorry.
Well, this is something I've been working on. Is just I don't know, having less social anxiety. I guess like in college, I had really bad social anxiety. I didn't like to be like around people, like big groups of people.
Mhm.
Yeah.
So, but that's something I've been working at overcoming and just trying to care less about what people think. You know, like care less about people's opinions. Just do my own thing
do
and
you,
not
yeah.
really, just be me and
Be you.
be me
Be
and
you.
don't apologize for being me.
Mhm.
So
The lot is sorry ba. Okay, ela nagchata.
I think I used to be afraid of like have anxiety about being around people
Yeah.
too. You know. Still not like here and there. I do have it, but
oh yeah,
like I say, you know, I focus the same like you. Like focus on like just do whatever, you know, because you know I feel like when you be yourself and stop thinking about what other people might think, then you have less fear. Because the more you think about, oh my God, where's you know, what people other might think about you, or you know, it's just like fear.
if you just think of it as the only thing that matters is what you think of yourself, it just completely erases what you what your fears are about what other people would think.
I notice I've worked with you guys, and I know like the way you talk to people, you know, very confidently. You know, I don't even see that. So wow, I'm surprised. But like you're afraid of it, but you're doing it anyway. I think that's like a huge courage,
Yeah. Even when you're afraid of something, just keep doing it. Don't stop,
Don't
Don't
stop.
stop. Just keep going. I think
Don't
that's
get
the thing.
discouraged. You can get discouraged, but don't let the discouragement keep you down.
Yeah.
Gotta-
Blood con in the pleader yamano. And the me pleader like then the blood con in the bar. Bachunata. Is that the word?
Yeah, when you sell it, sema, the bapatu, don't stop. Let me play again. Okay. Do you think we should wrap up? We are
Probably.
about close
Almost
to
been an hour.
1, so okay.
You guys can share your
Oh, let's
Tip a lot
see
if
if there's
you-
any more new
comment there. Yeah,
comments.
scroll up. Yeah, that's
Oh, there's one.
Yes.
Yes.
Be proud of culture and
Mhm.
dress, to
Be
be
proud
able
of who
to
you
show.
are.
Yeah, and for Maggie to dress up in Mia Pella to dress.
Fan.
Thank you for doing that.
Yes, this is my pleasure. It's an awesome learning
Yeah.
experience for me. So
Yeah.
it's very cool.
Awesome.
All right. Thanks everyone for watching. Next week, Monday, we do live streaming again.
Oh, yeah.
Maggie, ThanThan, and MuMu, 3 of us together.
Yeah, with our chill chat.
ChillChat.
ChillChat.
So-
Welcome to ChillChat, okay?
Please join us next week.
Like and share this video.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, share.
We're the
Okay.
best.
We want to welcome also all the you to join us. Bring some ideas, things that you want to talk about, right?
Yeah.
Yes. And then
Yeah.
also, just let us know in the comment below what you want to see
Yeah.
next.
Yeah,
What do you want us
what
to
do you
talk
want to see
about?
us doing?
What conversations do you want us to have?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nendo lo peter kora ba kala menu ge klo le na comment pe ne te le bogin yo klo klo wa to klo tu klo to mi ni
No. We
ba
have
ke di to
Abdullah
lo
read
pe
it.
ba khata we.
Can you click
Okay.
the last comment?
Last
one,
comment,
yeah,
show.
that one. Yeah, show. Daily Cranius family. Yes.
Yes.
It's
Woo!
Daily Cranius family.
A team, huh? A
Okay. Thank
Team.
you.
Yes, thank you.
Like and share, subscribe. See you next week. Bye,
Bye
guys.
bye.
Bye, guys.
Wow.